If you're considering infinite banking, you may have wondered if a policy loan could be called due. And this typically pops up with clients who have had some kind of negative experience with conventional financing. But let me just clear this up from the get-go. No, those policy loans will not be called due, at least not in the traditional sense. And it's really important to understand why, because that's one of the main reasons why infinite banking is so powerful. So first off, I get it. Whatever conventional lending was out there, there are situations that people can get themselves in where all of a sudden they're no longer in control and there's some kind of call on that capital and they're forced to do things that they don't want to do. But it's important to understand that with the insurance companies, these contracts are very different. So when you collateralize that cash value and you take that capital out, the company knows whether it's day one or when you pass away or somewhere in between that they're going to be made whole. That principal and interest is coming back to them. So they're able to do things very different than what you're going to see in the conventional financial world. And for you, what that means is you're getting something called an unstructured loan. If you're controlling the terms, you truly are the banker. So whether you pay it all back at once, over time, or have to wait a little while until things are better and it's on your terms, this is the huge benefit with infinite banking. But there's a caveat with this. You have to make sure that you are doing this in a disciplined manner. This is why Nelson talks about human factors so much at the beginning of the book, because like any good asset, if you abuse it, it can get you in trouble. But if you use it right, it can be very powerful. All right, if you found this valuable, please like. If you want more information like this, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're ready to take the next step, go to my Start Here page linked in both the description and the comments. In my next video, I'll be talking about how these insurance companies actually collateralize that loan. I'll see you there.